Most people has been wondering, how come this big machine used to lift up from the ground into the air? I mean the aircraft. Imagine how big it is, imagine how mighty it is, and it still lift up from the ground and fly comfortably. Now if that is you, and you have been wondering how come this big machine used to fly like this, how come this big thing, this mighty machine used to lift up from the ground, and if you want to know what happens and the chemistry behind it, you really need to watch this video. This guy here has explained everything you need to know about it. What makes it to fly, what makes it to lift up from the ground, and what makes it to stay stable in the air. And please, you need to watch this video for you to learn. So watch.
So have you ever wondered how airplanes fly in the air? I mean, such a huge metal machine weighing hundreds of tons. Like, how does it stay in the sky? Why doesn't it just fall straight down? Well, it is not magic, and it is not because of just the engines either. The real thing is the airplane's wings. An airplane's wing isn't flat. It is curved on top and relatively flatter underneath. When the plane moves forward, air flows differently over and under the wings. The air traveling over the wings has to cover more distance, so it moves faster. Faster air means lower pressure, so the air moving under the wings is slower, which means higher pressure. This difference in pressure creates an upward force called lift. That's the first secret, but lift alone isn't enough. The wings also push air downward, and according to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the wings push the air down, and the air pushes the airplane up. Now let's talk about the engine. The engine forcefully throws air backwards. And again, according to Newton's theory, the harder the air is pushed backward, the stronger the airplane is pushed forward. This force is known as thrust, which is the force that moves the plane ahead. More speed means more airflow, and more airflow means more lift. This is the reason why airplanes need a runway, not to jump but to gain speed. When lift becomes greater than gravity, the airplane leaves the ground. And here is the surprising part. At higher altitude, the air is thinner, yet airplanes fly more easily. That's because there's less air resistance. So the next time you sit on an airplane, remember, you are not floating. You are riding a perfect balance between lift, gravity, thrust, and drag. And that balance is one of the greatest engineering marvels ever created by humans. So like, share, and follow for more.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from that video. Please support me by sharing this video to more people so that I can learn as well. Please share this video and also drop a comment and follow for more content like this. If this is your first time seeing my face, you understand? So I will see you in my next video. And also let me also know the kind of videos that you want to see. Alright, bye bye, see you in my next video.